Yes, I finally got the teleprompter from the Elgato, one of the most famous teleprompter on the internet. And today we're gonna go and do the unboxing. I see a lot of big creators, they say this is a big game changer for their setup workflow and like there's setup automation and how it's cool for different reasons, Zoom meetings or creating content and different reasons. And I was like, I should definitely get one. Definitely. Let's unbox this. Then in the next video, I'm gonna put the review how I like this teleprompter and is it really big deal? Okay, let's open this up. So it comes in a big box, as you see here. It says prompter, the picture, it's a lot of information to the side of the box, and it's compatible with a lot of things like Zoom, YouTube, Slack, and a lot of other apps like Teams. So we're gonna do the unboxing first. So let's see what you got inside. I don't have a top and down setup. Get connected.
If you can connect with the audience, whether it's music, wrestling, stand-up comedy,
like those languages. See, a lot of languages. Inside we have 3 other boxes. So boxes inside boxes. And one of them says universal shroud backplate, mirrorless backplate, USB cable, and setup rings for your camera lens size. It also has the other one, so it covers I think all of the lenses. My complaint was the 82mm, but yeah, now they got that one. So the cable quality is very high quality. It's like a fabric threaded USB-C to USB-A. I hope it was USB-C to USB-C that I can connect it to my MacBook. Backplate, I hope you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. You can put it in the back of the teleprompter. I'll show you in a second. Cloth for cleaning the, what do you call it? It's very good quality actually. You see? It's very good quality, and you can clean the teleprompter screen by the time it gets dusty. That's normal. Curtain for your camera if you want to block out the light. If you have like a straight light on your camera and you want to black out with this one, this is very useful. Let's open a small bit first. Oh man, this is so cool. This is a teleprompter. As you see, it's very high quality. I like the quality of it. They're really good glass, because one thing I was wondering that how's the quality of the glass here, because I don't want it to affect my video quality, but it seems like it's very high quality. And the screen is at the bottom. It's kind of heavy, but I don't think it's gonna be a problem on my lens. By default it comes with I think Elgato Streamlink or something. The webcam they sell, and you can use it on your monitor. Camera backplate, we got this one. So how you put that one is that you can see here, you see align the holes of the screws. It's pretty easy. I'm not sure what I'm showing it to. So you're gonna put the screws back. It goes on your camera like this. I hope you can see it. Yeah, it's like that. I don't know if it affects my video quality, maybe it's a bit dark on it, but it's pretty cool. And I'm gonna start using it. You have to mount your camera here. Okay, let's say this is camera. I hope you can see it. Come on. So you can adjust it like that. So you put the camera here, then straight to there. So yeah, it's a cool prompter. So yeah, this is the teleprompter, and I really like the premium quality of this thing. And let's say how it's gonna last and how it's gonna perform for me. I'm sure this is gonna get a lot of dust. I'm already seeing like it's getting the dust because it's pretty, because you know that the dark surface is very vulnerable for the dust. Okay, so I have set up the teleprompter right now, and I can see the text right now, and I installed the app. It's a camera app application for the MacBook that you can download it from the Elgato website, and you can set it up. And I have the template text right now here, and I'm gonna start it and read it, and let's see like what do you think about like the eye contact on the lens and how it works for the first try. Because yeah, definitely you gotta find out which speed is good for you, which text size, which text format. But I'm gonna just let it run and read something on it, and let me know how it looks. So I'm gonna play it right now. Ready to roll the camera, whether it's a video script or talking points, Camera Hub and Prompter gives you a full control over your delivery. Here in text mode, Prompter automatically mirrors anything entered onto the screen. This way you can stay on the script while maintaining natural eye contact with your audience. Let me know how was that. I just read it from the teleprompter. What it's from film. Oh my god. I'll make a thumbnail. Huh?